Hey guys, this is Nitish from Android for Life, and today we are gonna find out that is the Mi Band 2 from Xiaomi the best budget tracker in the market or not. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First and foremost, let me show you guys what comes inside the box. And after opening up the box, up front you will find the tracker itself, and just below it we can find the band. Also you get some paperwork which I don't know why is in Chinese, but nonetheless we are gonna cover all of that in this video. You also get the charging cradle, which is similar to the first Mi Band's charger, but now you get a flat style cable which is better. Now quickly we will get to the behind portion of the box, and here you will find the MRP quoted on the box is 2500 rupees, but now you can buy this one for 2000 rupees, and the links to buy this are in the description box below. So the box also states that the band is water and dust proof, and the rating mentioned here is IP67. So you can dip it in water without any worries, but I would suggest you not to do that. Anyways, the compatibility mentioned here is Android 4.4 or above and iOS 7.0 or above, and the device uses Bluetooth 4.0 low energy. So just keep these in mind. So this is the first Mi Band and this is the Mi Band 2, and both look quite similar, and the major difference here is that the Mi Band 2 comes with a display and the first Mi Band only had 3 LED lights. So the addition of a display is convenient to have and surprising to see at this price point, although the rubberized band remains the same. And now let's get to the software part of the Mi Band, and you will need to download the Mi Fit app from the Play Store or the iTunes Store, and then you just have to follow a few steps and then pair your Mi Band via Bluetooth. It takes quite a bit of time, but still once you are set up, you can track your steps and sleep. Tapping on the amount of steps will show you detailed information on your walking, and you can also watch your history as per week and month. The same is for sleep, and as far as accuracy is concerned, the Mi Band 2 is quite accurate with steps, and actually it also shows steps increasing in real time while you are walking. Sleep tracking though is not very accurate, although the time recorded of the sleep is correct, but the deep sleep is sometimes recorded a bit too less. So I would say that the sleep tracking is accurate most of the times, but not always. In terms of smart features, you get alerts while someone is calling on your phone and whenever you get an SMS on your phone. And even you can select some apps which send notification alerts to the band. Also, a great feature here is that you can set alarms and it silently vibrates in your hand. All of these smart features were already there on the first Mi Band, so nothing new here. And the smart screen unlock feature also returns, so whenever you have your Mi Band on your hand, your phone won't ask for a passcode. So that was the software of the Mi Band 2, and now let's get to the hardware. On the front side of the tracker, it has a glossy finish glass, beneath which is the small display, and below the display is the control button. And you get the heart rate scanner behind the tracker besides the Mi branding. And the tracker is of a good overall build quality, and it is just the glass covering the display which is not good. It is very much prone to scratches, and also it attracts fingerprints and smudges easily. Also, in direct sunlight, the display is barely visible, which is another annoying thing with the tracker. Otherwise, the display is pretty bright and legible indoors. And now let's get to the band, and the band is of the same quality as the first Mi Band had. Rubberized silicone band which is very soft to touch and feels really lightweight. Moving on, we get to the display functions, and here you get an OLED panel which saves battery and is small enough so that you can see what's on the screen, and also it is not too big to look like a smartwatch. It is just the perfect size. It shows the time, date and day, number of steps taken, distance you walked, the calories you burned, heart rate and battery of the Mi Band. And this is how you charge the Mi Band, and you just need to take out the tracker and put it into the cradle and just plug it into the USB port of your laptop or your computer. And with a single full charge, you can stretch out the battery of the Mi Band from just around 2 weeks to max 3 weeks. So because of the OLED display on the Mi Band 2, you can stretch out the battery life to around 2 weeks. Otherwise, some other fitness trackers would just last you till about 1 week or less. And I think if you have the budget of around 2000 rupees and you want to buy a fitness tracker, then you should just go for it right away, as it is the best fitness tracker for that price. Surely, there are other trackers with displays at around 1000 rupees now, but the Mi Band 2 offers you a really polished app with frequent updates which other competitors might not offer. And if you want to buy this right away, use the link that I have provided in the description box below. So guys, that wraps it up for this video, and I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then I would really appreciate it if you would hit the like button. And comment down below for any sorts of your queries, subscribe for more such videos, and bye for now.